How to set battery protection to basic, adaptive or maximum on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. So you will see battery is here, so click on battery. So after click on battery, so click on battery protections. So after click on battery protection, so make sure battery protection is turn on. So after turn on battery protection, so if you want to set battery protection maximum, so click on maximum. You will see battery protection is set on maximum. So if you want to set battery protection basic, so click on basic. You will see battery protection is set on basic. So if you want to set battery protection adaptive, so click on adaptive. You will see battery protection is set on adaptive. So after selecting basic, maximum, adaptive from here, so after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set battery protection to basic, adaptive or maximum on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.